One more time.
This is a swift, and I'm going to feed him, because these birds don't eat by themselves. This is not a swallow that can actually feed itself, but on the ground these birds don't eat, so I'll have to force feed them. And I'll give them some minced meat with egg. Their mouth is a lot bigger than you would think.
Well, that's a gob.
In real life they would eat insects, but since they're now on the ground, I'll have to feed them. Let's see if he wants a third one.
And how often does the swift come to Holland? Only in the springtime?
Only in springtime. They're actually the last bird to get here and the first bird to leave.
And where do they go back